बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अज़ीज़ तलबा, आज हम ऐसे पढ़ेंगे स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स। हेल्थ इज़ वेल्थ, a sound mind in sound body. Loss of health is loss of wealth. Sports and games are necessary to maintain good health. They are as important as food, grains, and fresh water. They keep us active, alert, and smart. They enable us to perform the duties of life. The developed countries attach great importance to sports and games. They consider it an essential part of education. The lesson in the classroom does not have as deep effort on the character as that is learnt in the playground. The lesson in the classroom is theoretical. The lesson learnt in the playground is practical. Sports and games build up the character of the young one. They make them active, helpful, and trustworthy. The students learn endurance, courage, loyalty, and sacrifice. Journal sports include hunting, fishing, riding, cycling, boating, football, hockey, cricket, tennis, and badminton. Therefore, a number of schools hold athletics contests. They also hold games like football, hockey, cricket, tennis, badminton, and volleyball.